Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase j and then look at some words that begin with the letter. Let's begin. To write lowercase j, make sure you write it halfway down the bottom line. Draw the long bit first, and he has a little tail at the bottom, and then dot it, like this. Now let's look at some words. J for jumper. J for jockey. J for jellyfish. J for jaguar. And finally, J for jacket. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.